Ever scroll through your feed and feel like everyone's cracked the code to the perfect diet, yet they all say different things? One video swears by keto, and then there's that vegan influencer who says plant-based is the way to go. From fitness influencers online to messaging on food labels, it's easy to get overwhelmed by dietary advice, leaving us more confused than ever. Join me for this short taster lecture as we dive into the complex world of dietary advice and use health perspectives to decode the trends you see online. Kia ora, my name is Victoria Chin and I'm a lecturer in health at Te Herenga Waka, Victoria University of Wellington. We've all seen the viral transformation videos, like the ones about someone's life-changing experience on the keto diet, eating mostly fats and proteins and hardly any carbs. They describe rapid weight loss and newfound energy, which sounds amazing, right? But in reality, many people who've tried this diet end up feeling tired, irritable, and constantly craving the foods they love. Not to mention the feelings of guilt and disappointment when they slip up and regress. It makes you wonder, is this really what it means to eat healthy? Trendy diets like the ones you see on TikTok, whether it's cutting out entire food groups or extreme fasting, can have serious downsides. They might work short-term, but they often ignore the other crucial aspects of health, like mental well-being, cultural relevance, or environmental impact. And while veganism can be great for the environment and animal welfare, it requires careful planning to ensure you get all the necessary nutrients. So how do we sort through all this conflicting information? Well, first we need to clarify what it means to be healthy. The complexity comes from the many ways that health can be defined, which ultimately determines what makes dietary advice useful or not. Let me introduce you to a few perspectives. We often see health presented through a biomedical perspective that views health in relation to illness. This perspective views our bodies as having varied nutritional needs based on our unique biology and the presence of disease. Factors like nutrients, weight, and blood sugar become important indicators of whether someone is healthy or not. Much of the advice and dietary trends aimed at weight loss and longevity stem from this perspective, yet the way we experience health is much more complex. This brings us to a holistic perspective that considers health as encompassing many equal and integrative aspects of well-being, including mental, social, and spiritual alongside the physical. Under this perspective, restrictive diets that cause stress and social isolation become harmful since important health aspects are compromised in favor of one's physical body. Rather, healthy eating under this view would see each of these well-being aspects supported. Aligned to a holistic approach, Te Ao Māori offers important insights about health, emphasizing the interconnectedness of life. Food is not just fuel, it connects us with our whakapapa, whenua, and fauna. This perspective values balance and harmony, ensuring that food supports the well-being of ourselves, our communities, and the environment. Pacifica perspectives further highlight the importance of communal living and the central role of food in social and cultural gatherings. Pacifica cultures emphasize togetherness, reciprocity, and respect for tradition, promoting a collective approach to eating that values the social and cultural significance of food. Finally, a socio-ecological view of health helps us recognize how our everyday decisions are shaped by the social determinants of health. This means the foods we eat are not simply a matter of individual choice, but are influenced by the social, political, and physical environments we live in, which are an important part of the equation. Thinking back to that keto diet experience, one might conclude that health is not about optimizing the physical body at the expense of other aspects of well-being. It's about finding a balanced eating pattern that considers the many aspects of one's life and acknowledging the broader factors that shape our decisions. Applying these health perspectives helps us see how eating healthy can look wildly different from one person to the next, making the pursuit of one perfect diet an impossible feat. So next time you're tempted to try the latest dietary trend or filter through some advice, take a step back and think about what health means to you. What is your version of a perfect diet? Study for a Bachelor of Health at Te Herenga Waka, Victoria University of Wellington, to dive deeper into these health perspectives and help our communities navigate the world of health and well-being.